Wola, 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 Ndwana. I hope you are still keeping well and welcome back to South African TikTok Moment. So Scott's Mapomo seems to be the man of the moment, or at least South Africa's bitter taste, after a couple of actions that had South Africans labeling him as rude and arrogant. So Scott is a South African artist who released a number of big bangers, amapiano bangers, that have led him to being among South Africa's top and most loved artists. He has worked with a number of big names in the industry and has also claimed to be inspired by many others. Now, this is a gent that knows how to please the crowds. However, his behavior and his views that he gave on Altito's podcast have made him public enemy number one. Listen to this.
I don't have time for a picture because if I take one picture with you, I have to take a picture with that guy, with that lady, with that what. Then my time, and then Kausani, who's not professional. Scott Fita late, Kodi kicking. Late siteki mang, kwe, na kero nyaka video. So people, I don't care. Yeah, if akinyaki, uta snap akinyaki, kana kwewa, if akinyaki, I don't feel like it. Onkirileng hore ke fitlhe mo ke leng teng vandag. And ha ona motho o tong ntsha mo ke leng teng, ke le mo vandag. So I don't think I owe it to them. I don't owe it to I don't think any celebrity owes anyone. That's the problem. It's their problem. Like if it's not my problem, it's not my problem. Mo ke qualifating grotmanyaka. If nak vaga mdimo.
So basically, what Scott Mapoma is saying is that he doesn't owe anyone anything. He doesn't need to be taking pics if he doesn't want to, and his fame is only owed to God and God alone. No one can do anything about it. Now, this didn't sit well with many South Africans, especially his fans, and that became evident when he performed at the Cotton Fest this past weekend. Take a look at this. The crowd seemed so disengaged as Scott performed on stage. The performance seemed good. He tried to hook his audience, mara the crowd was just not budging. Usomizi Mhlongo also caught a glimpse of this, and this is what he had to say.
My fellow South Africans, let me put this nicely. My fellow South Africans, I am here to humbly want to make sure, Uguti, I never be on the wrong side of you all. Because what you guys did to Umnyumtwana is evident that South African fans will show you who they are. I remember one day I did a video, not long time ago, after the Sweet Gurova thing, and I said, with or without you, I will make it. I will sell. Sompire will sell. My concert will be full. I still meant it because I was talking to haters. But to my fans, let me tell you, anything you want. When I see you in the street, you ask for a picture. Tell me what you want me to do. Tell me. If lighting I'm running sheer, tell me what you want me to do. I will worship the ground that you walk on. Tell me what you want me to do. If you want a picture, then after a picture, you want to give me your bills, the bond, the rent, the car installment. Nkona, my fans, naka makhadi ami, nine mali oyifunayo oyithola, naka makhadi ami, ngizoswiper for as long as I'm on the right side of you guys. Ngizoswiper. If ufuna choreographer umshado wakini, choreographer anything you want as long as I'm on the right side. Noma ngithi ngiyadla usithombe ngithi anything for you. Unga-offenda yonke into or wonke umuntu unga-offenda ama-fans akho. They are called fans for a reason. Abantu omele ngabe nesikhathi sabo ama-haters or ama-bullies. Ama-fans. So deal. Whatever you want, I'll give to you. Picture plus paying your school fees. Picture plus buying you a car. Because if you not a picture, the market is low, we touch or reach war. Sing it a car. Do you know what? Everything is like, everything from head to toe. Me and my friends, if you say my robotini, ngabanga motam, ukokote window and uti, kalangale, yimi feni yako. Oh, he was a. Danko.